Hey guys, so for today's video, I created this really easy, kind of pinky, coppery eye using the Urban Decay Wild Greens palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, I'm excited to use this palette again today. In my first video with this palette, I used mostly the bottom row, all those greens right there. I'll link that video for you. But today, I want to use the top row, these pretty warm tones up here. I'm going to start with Lo-Fi on a Sigma E35. And this shade's going to go in my crease as a transition shade. This shade is super light, so I don't know if it's going to make much of a difference. Okay, now I'm going to pick up turmeric on that same brush. I know that this shade will show up for sure, so that's going to go in my crease. Now going back in with that first shade Lo-Fi and using that to blend around these edges. I'm going to swatch these two shimmer shades right here because I'm not sure which one I want on my lid. So this is Fuzz and High Vibe. Ooh, both very pretty. I think I want to use both of those today. They're really pretty. So I'm going to take a Sigma E54 and spray that with some setting spray. And I'm going to pick up High Vibe. And I'm going to place this shade on my entire lid. And then taking my E35 and just softly blending around that shade. I'm loving this shade all over the lid. It's kind of like a pinky coppery color. I really like that. Now I'm going to take a Sigma E20 with more turmeric and apply that along my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a Sigma E42 with that Lo-Fi color and just use that to soften up the lower lash line. And then I'm adding just a tiny bit more turmeric kind of on the outer crease right here. I'm also going to place that High Vibe color along my lower lash line. I just love like the little bit of reflect this has. And then I'm going to pick up a little bit of Fuzz. I'm going to place that on the inner part of my lower lash line. I can't decide if I want to make this look a little deeper because I am really liking these tones. I think I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna add a brown wing, so I'm gonna take the Haus Labs liquid liner in Whiskey. And then I'm just gonna bring in the wing about halfway on my eye. Now I'm gonna take Chill on a Sigma LO4, and that's gonna go in my inner corner. And a tiny bit under my brow. I'm also going to add one of my favorite liners to my waterline, which is Urban Decay Smog. I just want a little bit of brown down here, but nothing too crazy. Now I'm going to go pop on some mascara and lashes. Alright, I am back with my eyes all done, and for my lashes, I'm wearing my brand The Bright Lashes, and I'm wearing the Half Lash Vivid. I honestly really like how this look turned out. It's kind of like a soft, everyday, pinky, coppery look. Like, it was really easy to do and really fast. Like, this is something you could totally wear every day. And then paired with the little half wing and the half lash, it just adds a little bit of glamour to the look. I think it's super pretty. I love these tones, especially on my blue eyes. But overall, I am still enjoying the Wild Greens palette. I think for my next look with this palette, I want to try to incorporate the warm tones and the greens together, see if I can do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.